black coffee steaming in a tin cup, sitting by a smoldering flame. As far as I can see is a land wild and free, where the buffalo and antelope play. Wyoming, you're as rugged as a grizzly claw, peaceful as an aspen draw in the early autumn sun. Wyoming, you make a man grow wiser, friendly as a trapper's fire, cold as a devil's thumb. Wyoming, Wyoming. Falcon flying, gliding on the wind, has a view that I wish I could see. But I guess I'll settle for this peaceful spot in the only land I care to be. Wyoming, you're as rugged as a grizzly claw, peaceful as an aspen draw in the early autumn.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Also remember to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications. And make sure to get outside.
Friendly as a trapper's fire.